This video will highlight potential aircraft damage during main landing gear retraction tests with the fixed fairing strut disconnected. Whenever it is necessary to carry out main gear retractions with the fixed fairing door disconnected from the main gear leg, the fairing strut should be disconnected at the fairing, not at the gear leg. If the strut is disconnected from the plate attachment at the gear leg, the plate is then free to rotate during gear retraction and potentially come into contact with the gear bay top shroud. The plate lugs may actually penetrate the shroud blister with the gear fully retracted. With the strut disconnected from the fairing and held clear of the gear and the airplane structure, the plate will not be free to rotate out of a safe position. The Aircraft Maintenance Manual, Chapter 32-10-32, which is the Hawker 800 through 900 XP series reference for main gear fairings removal installation, contains the following caution prior to landing gear retraction. The statement is, caution, make sure the fairing strut does not foul the airplane structure. For additional information on this subject, contact Hawker Technical Support at 1-800-429-5372 or email hawker_125_support@txtav.com.